everyone, Vinayak here. Having used multiple robot and handheld vacuums, I always wanted a wireless mechanical mop which I could manually move around to clean. Yes, many of you would have already known of these, but I'm happy I actually found a product which does just that. This is the Agaro Royal Mop and Vacuum Cleaner. Let's see how good it really is. This is the Agaro Royal Mop and Vacuum Cleaner, a combination wet mop and vacuum. First off, in the box we get a handle which has the control buttons, the mop and vacuum body, charging base, power adapter, a cleaning tool, and a bottle of cleaning solution. To get the mop and vacuum set up, we need to insert this handle into the hole provided, just align and push in and it's ready. To remove the handle, use a hard object like a screwdriver to push into the hole here. There are two tanks on the device, both are 700 ml in capacity. The tank in the back is used to store clean water. Just push the button and it comes off quite easily. We have a max marking on this tank which we should not cross while filling. This flap here is to be opened and filled with water, and you can also add a little bit of cleaning solution. Insert it back, and once you hear a click, we know it's locked in place. In front we have the dirty water tank which stores the vacuumed dirt within too. We have a filter here and this top can be removed to empty it. Here's the roller brush which is protected using this cover. This cover also protects you from getting splashed. Let's fill the clean water tank with water and add a little bit of the included cleaning solution. Install the tank back and we are ready. We have the control buttons on the handle such as the power button, and below that is the mode button. On top we have the self-cleaning button. Tap on the power button and we have this cool display which shows the battery percentage and the mode we are on. First is automatic mode. Tap on the mode button again and we enter intelligent sterilization mode. And third is water absorption mode. The ring changes color as per the mode you have selected. The user-friendly LED display and helpful voice prompts of the vacuum mop help you get real-time notifications while cleaning, including battery level, suction power, maintenance alerts and more. If you don't like voice prompts, use this button to turn them off. Using the mop is quite easy. Power on the device and we need to tilt it back a little, for which you will need to use your feet. Now we are in automatic mode, and this mode takes care of both wet and dry mopping and vacuuming. Here's some dirt and the vacuum picks it up with ease. I also noticed that once the power is on, the vacuum starts moving forward, making it easier for you to move along with it and not needing to add any force. Sound wise it's not that loud, but it is audible. The device can vacuum and mop simultaneously, and being wireless can be used almost anywhere. You can't have big chunks, but if it's dust, the device can vacuum it without any problems. It's usable on most surfaces that are not susceptible to water damage, such as tiles, wooden floors, marble, and it cleans them with ease. The water tank allows for cleaning a small apartment in one go, saving water and also the need to carry a heavy bucket around. The quiet yet powerful brushless motor delivers incredible 16 kPa suction, which cleans wet and dry messes and tackles tough and sticky messes on hard floors with ease. The device comes with a rechargeable 4000 mAh battery which runs up to 38 minutes and takes up to 4.5 hours to recharge. I did try using it like a traditional handheld vacuum. It will not move under the furniture and you will need to move the furniture first before mopping under them. It does twist and tilt, allowing for more reach. Next we have the sterilization mode, which purifies the water before use. You can see the water being emptied from the tank here. This is supposed to help with hygiene and cleanliness. It's useful in homes with older members and also kids where we need a sterilized environment. Third, we have the water pickup mode which helps dry your floor, making it ready to walk on almost instantly. Once you finish mopping, you can just tilt the handle back up and it can stand in place. No need to worry about it falling over. Here is the charging base, connected to the included power adapter and is ready for use. Just align the vacuum over the base and place it carefully down and the vacuum will start to charge. Don't lift the vacuum up too high as it can separate from the handle and can fall down and get damaged. Now that the vacuum is on the base, it starts to charge and we can see the remaining battery percentage on the display. The button on top is for the self-cleaning mode. When initiated, the device cleans the brushes and also the water tanks, and all the dirty water is collected in the tank here. You can see the water filling in the base to clean the brushes too. So cool. The cleaning tool is used to clean this area of the vacuum. It also has a blade which helps cut through hair which could have caught on the cleaning brush. Once the cleaning is complete, remove the dirty water tank and empty it. Just look at all the dirt that was collected. You can also clean the brush manually, which is good to keep the device well maintained. Same is with the dirty water tank. Make sure to clean the filter and the cover in the dirty water tank after use. What I like about the Agaro Royal Mop and Vacuum is that it's two devices in one, and I don't have to keep switching in order to vacuum or mop. It works well, and it did a great job on muddy footprints too, which is quite impressive. It's sleek and lightweight and is perfect for everyday use. The docking station allows for easy charging, as you just need to place the device onto it, and I also like the clean and premium look of the device. The vacuum had good suction power and the mop picks up wet dirt easily, making it a good chadu poncha device. It's great for bachelors too, as it makes the daily routine of cleaning and mopping easy. So that was the Agaro Royal Mop and Vacuum Cleaner. What do you guys think? Is it worth it? Make sure to comment below. That was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.